Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Iraq has signed a settlement agreement with US energy giant ExxonMobil Corp to finalize its exit from the West Guano-1 oil field and allow PetroChina to become the field's lead contractor, a senior Iraqi oil executive said. Traders of futures contracts that track expectations for the Federal Reserve's policy rate pushed out bets on the US central bank's likely first interest rate cut to June of next year, after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said he was not yet convinced rates are sufficiently restrictive. Moody's credit rating agency has downgraded the US economic outlook to negative from stable. The move brought immediate criticism from President Joe Biden's administration. It is the latest in a series of issues flagged by rating agencies about the strength of the financial status of the United States.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT. The Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 1100 hours GMT. Germany's current account at 13:45 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.